Hi, Lee from Cabot here, and in this video I'll show you how easy it is to maintain your timber deck and keep it looking fresh between coatings. With Cabot's Everyday Deck Wash, your deck will never look tired and will always be ready for those planned events or spontaneous drop-ins from friends. For this project, you'll need Cabot's Everyday Deck Wash, a trusty Cabot's deck brush, deckhand bucket, garden hose, waterproof gloves, and some protective eyewear. Before you start, let's make sure that it's been at least 2 weeks since you last coated your deck. First, remove any loose materials like dirt, leaves, debris that has accumulated on the surface, and this is where your trusty deck brush comes in. To start, dilute 1 part deck wash to 10 parts clean water in your deckhand bucket. You can use the measurements on the inside of the bucket to help guide you. Before you can apply the Cabot's Everyday Deck Wash solution, it's important to hose down the deck. Start scrubbing the solution into the timber using your deck brush, paying extra attention to those areas that are particularly dirty. After you've scrubbed the entire deck, let the deck wash sit for at least 10 to 20 minutes to work its magic, but never allow it to dry. Now it's time for the big reveal. Use your hose to rinse the deck wash thoroughly and make sure you remove all the solution. While cleaning your deck, it's a good opportunity to look for wear such as colour fade and check the water stool beads on the surface. It may be time for a recoat. And that's it. With a little elbow grease and the help of Cabots, your timber deck is now refreshed and ready to show off to your neighbours.